Hello and welcome again to my channel Bonstar Sanctuary. Today we would be looking at science and we would be focusing on the topic of covering of animals. If you have not checked out the previous video on living things and non-living things or the features and categorizing of animals, please check out those videos as they are already listed in my channel. So let's get straight into the objectives of today's lesson. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, pupils would be able to identify the various coverings of animals, list animals that have different coverings, state the importance of coverings on animals. Importance of animal coverings. The coverings that animals wear protect their body or skin. So there are different animals. Some may be covered with hair, fur, scale. All these coverings protects the lower layer of skin of the animals or even persons, human beings. Animal coverings. Some animals may be covered in hair, fur, feathers, scales, shells. So all animals, their coverings vary, and these coverings vary based on where they would live or where is their habitat. Now, for example, human beings are covered with hair. So we have our skin, but there are fine hair particles on our body. Some animals may be covered with fur. Think of some animals that you know that are covered with fur. Then some animals may be covered with feathers. Do you know any animals that may be covered with feathers or scales or a shell? So think of the animals that you know that are covered with different coverings. Parents, please note that they are writing from the previous slide and they are also writing this slide in their science notebook. Examples of coverings. So here we can see that a horse is covered with hair, a pig is covered with hair, and as I had previously mentioned, human beings are also covered with hair. Then we have that cats are covered with fur, birds are covered with feathers, and snakes and other fishes are covered with scales. There are some fishes though that do not have any scales, but that's for another lesson. And then we have a turtle or sometimes tortoise that are covered with shell. But there are other animals that are covered with shells. So parents, you can allow them to collect pictures of animals with the different coverings. Even if you have the picture, allow them to label the covering that is attached to the picture, as it would be a great reinforcement and a great reminder when it is that they are revising the note. So we have come to the end of today's lesson. I want to say thank you. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and remember to check out our previous lessons on living things, non-living things, and the features of different animals. So see you again for another lesson. Bye.